Back on February 20th of 2019, I got the call around 9:30 that we had had a roof collapse at Lowell Elementary. We originally thought that, it might be a week or two before the students could return, but then we found that there was a lot of structural damage. We ended up touring multiple options and had talked with Central Rivers AEA, and he quickly offered for us to come over and tour their building, and we really decided that it would probably work well.
Being at the AEA, it worked for what we needed it to be, but being back in a school I just can't even explain how important it is. To have classrooms where we can't hear our neighbor teachers, to have space that is common and shared that we can pull our students to have a library that is an actual library. The things that we missed the last 2.5, 3 years, I just can't say enough how much we appreciate being back in a school.
ISG had been heavily involved in Lowell for quite some time, and so it really wasn't a very long conversation about going with ISG. We felt very confident with the work that they had done. We felt very confident with the work that we would have going forward.
After the roof collapse, we were out here and helping the district basically from day one. Start to think through, what are the options? How do we go forward from here? And in the end, it was decided that the best approach was to bring down the existing elementary and build a new one right here on this site.
We truly are a neighborhood school, so we only have 2 buses that come to our building, which means all of the remaining students are walkers or car riders. So having us stay in this location was really important in order to keep us that neighborhood school.
It was really important to get the kids back into the building, get the teachers back into the building, and to do that as quickly as possible. And we were able to do it in a 4-month time period, which is pretty unheard of for a project of this size. Also just a wonderful blessing to be able to have somebody that could knock this building out and get it done by January. It was in 18 months that they were able to go from start to finish on the project. Thankfully, we had a good contractor that was able to work well with the schedule and keep kids first.
I can't tell you how awesome it feels for our students to be here. When we moved the staff here in December of 2021 and then brought our students on January 3rd of 2022, it felt amazing, but there is nothing like watching the faces of the students who walked in and were just looking all over. They knew they were home.
So awesome to see our kids really excited about the little things that lots of elementaries have every single day. It's just really great to be back in a school.